Welcome to this demonstration of MeetLess, a tool designed to help you determine which meetings are worth your time and which ones could be replaced by a quick message. If you've ever thought, this meeting could have been an email, then MeetLess is the perfect tool for you. Let's start. Firstly, we'll sign in and connect our calendar. The initial view you'll encounter is a calendar view similar to your Google Calendar. Here you are presented with options for a monthly, weekly, or daily view. For this demonstration, we'll select the weekly view and proceed to the week we wish to examine. You'll observe that your calendar is color-coded into two categories. Yellow represents meetings that could be skipped, while pink denotes crucial ones. MeetLess uses state-of-the-art AI to analyze each meeting in your calendar to label them correctly. Let's have a look at the first meeting titled Target Revision for December. Upon clicking on it, you'll see the attendees and a comprehensive description fetched from Google Calendar. MeetLess AI analyzes a large set of data parameters to assess if a meeting can be skipped or not. Data such as attendees, description or agenda, number of external attendees, previous meeting frequency on the specific topic, and tens of other variables help us make an accurate assessment. Based on what we have gathered for this event, this meeting is crucial to attend. You will also notice another aspect we have analyzed. Off to the side, you'll notice the results of a sentiment analysis we've conducted for all the events and meetings in your calendar. This particular meeting, unfortunately, carries a more negative sentiment, as indicated by this label. Therefore, it's crucial to be well prepared for this meeting. Now, let's proceed to the next meeting in your calendar. This is an investor meeting with Y Combinator with several attendees. This meeting is also of great importance. The sentiment here is neutral, as indicated by this label. This information should help you prepare accordingly. Next, let's examine another calendar event titled Plan Meetings for Next Week. Our AI suggests that this might not be the best use of your time. The agenda can be efficiently addressed via email, instead of having a meeting to discuss what meetings to have next week. Therefore, we recommend skipping this meeting. We've already drafted an email, as indicated by this label. This email will be sent out from your calendar to the attendees. It reads, Dear attendees, the agenda for this event can be resolved by email. Let's communicate and decide our schedule for next week without the need for a meeting. By simply clicking this button, you can cancel the meeting and send the drafted response. You can see here that the email has been sent successfully. What about the next meeting? Let's draft an email to Andy, as we suggest. As indicated by our AI, this matter can certainly be handled via email. Now let's move on to the next meeting. This one might not be particularly enjoyable. The meeting is about planning layoffs. The key points to note here are that the headcount needs to be reduced by 20%, and decisions need to be made about who to lay off. Let's take a look at the full description from which the key points have been extracted by our AI. This is an important meeting, and unfortunately, the sentiment is negative, so let's make sure we come prepared. Let's move on to the next significant meeting, a budget meeting. The goal here is to review the budget for next year and align on the most important initiatives. The sentiment is neutral, and the importance of this meeting is high. Definitely not one to miss. Okay, what's next on the agenda? A discussion on office decoration. Yes, this could definitely be handled via email. So, there you have it. In just seconds, MeetLess has saved you 3.5 hours of valuable time just this week by skipping meetings that should be emails instead. All using our powerful state-of-the-art AI and smart and seamless integrations with your existing Google account. We hope you feel MeetLess can bring substantial value to your productivity and invite you to head over to getmeetless.com to sign up for our beta that will be launched very soon. Thank you for listening.